Sorry guys, didn't get a chance to switch over in time, but I'm in ACHC. It may not go right now. This one I'm a little bit heavier considering it has a 10-cent spread. But from what I see here, the SPY could do a curl down, which would help this. But we'll see. It also could be a bull flag. So if you do trade this one, I'd probably go small. Because of the spreads, I'm not going to go all out at high. The high is 44.35. So let's set my stop at 44.36, except 150 shares, half of my shares. Because I'm afraid I'll get faked out from the spreads. What I do notice here is that it's getting close to the 200, 44.94. So it could be a consolidation for the way up, or it just may be done here. Also, I like the fact that it shot up Friday, and it's moving on up again, and it's hitting this area right here on a daily, where all the wicks are. It's not a very clean area, but it looks like it could curl down here. SPY's moving up a little bit, and this is still going down. So if it goes through 44, then that would be great. Yeah, okay, that's good. Watching level 2, I'm taking it. This one was 30. Stop will be at 96. Okay, I may have to. It's so close to 29, I'm hesitant to pull a trigger, but the level 2 shows that it's going to go down. Maybe a partial. 88. Yeah, I'm going to have to take some here. Just because of what the level 2 is showing. It's still heavy right here. Okay, and uh-oh, getting faked out here. The SPY's still moving up. Right here. SPY's pushing hard, trying to break over. So let me hurry up and set a stop. Oh, shit. 28, 96. What is it? 28.94 or 28.95? Set a stop for 700 over there, because you don't want it to pop through 29 too hard and you're too far in. You won't be able to average up, I mean. So watching SPY here. So if SPY goes up and this goes up, then I need to throw my stop in. Yeah, I need to throw my stop in. Because SPY is breaking that base here. Okay, let's go in for that 329 break. I can't type today. In which case I should just okay. See what happens here. What's the high right now? 20.98. I'm gonna set my stop over 29 for check out the 15s right here. It's right there. It's right at that spot. The spy's popping. So this is a tough call. It's 1 cent spread, so I guess I'll just put it right here. But my finger's on the escape button because once SPY runs out of steam, then this may just go down. But check out the wall. See this wall right here? So it's either going to punch through hard or it's going to get stopped. Okay, I think it just ran out of steam right there. See if it...
AAO1.
Get ready to add some. Why isn't it moving? Ooh, look at that. I'm really strong on the bid now. It doesn't want to go down. Okay. Reject. Wait for the rejection. I'm gonna put in one. Yeah, that's the doji right there. It's time to put one in. High day is 03.
AAO1.
So I'm gonna put this one at 07. All of my shares, because it still looks strong on the bid. I still don't know what to do. If it goes underneath here, I'm adding. Underneath here, what is there? 28. Ooh, this one's stubborn. Okay, looking at level 2 here, it wants to go down. SPY's going up a bit. Okay, now it's printing red. This one's tricky. Okay, adding. Adding some more. Okay, put a little bit heavy in this one. But I think it was stalling so much that it just has to go back down. Okay, so I'm gonna set a 1000 stop right over the candle because I'm a little heavy. I don't want to get stopped out either though. Go to, let's put it at 03. I have a feeling that this one's gonna just like spike down the way it's acting. Three. So high as 03 still. So I'm gonna change this 300 to say 800. Still wants to go up. It's crazy. Crazy bastard. The bad part of this is the fact that it's trying to recover from Friday. So worst case scenario is 29.21, 29.20 right here, around here. It's between 15 and 20. I'll wait for the volume spike, I guess. I'm 500 in. This thing's trying to take all my money, but it's okay. Look at that. It's gonna go eventually. Just gotta have a good average. I'm gonna take it on a trigger on ones again. Okay. This may be the one. If it's not, I'll be a little sad. Has to go under 29 though. Goes under 29, I'll add. Yeah, okay, I jumped the gun there. Watching level 2, still looking okay. And Spy is helping out a little bit. I still don't see the pop down that I want. I'm probably trying to break this level here. It's trying, it's struggling. There we go. Getting some of my money back. But how far will it go? The 5 minute is 28.80 right here. But there's some support right here. So I really wanted this to stay under 29. So at 29.03, I'm going to take out the majority of my shares. Let's go with 2,500 shares. Like, oh, damn it. This thing's tricky. It goes with Spy here. You may want the teens, that's the problem. You may want this area right here. 29.14, 29.20. Okay, so 29.07, and I'll take out 2,500 shares. That'll hurt. I should put it higher. Say 29.09. Yeah, I'm gonna put it higher. Let's reassess this thing. So at 15s, it looks good. 5s, it's just been it just rejected that 5, which is really rude. 2s, 08. Okay. It's almost hitting the teens. Volume's a little bit gone right now, but it's still moving, so wait for it. I think it's hurting a bit. There's the 20. And that's the one. That's the one I want. So at 29.20. That's the area right there. So arbitrarily 29.25. I don't want to get out any time before that, but I'll be all out there. And then if it doesn't go, then I'm gonna go cry a little bit. What else is there to do? Just let it run its course. Oops, the mic was off. So what I'm looking right here is the volume is staying down. So there really isn't anybody fighting against this movement here. But there anticipate a little bit of a spike right at this support right here. Yeah. So it hit the 2s. And the 5s is down here at 87. So we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna mute it. Just let it do its thing. Okay, it's looking really good right here on the level 2. How's really heavy on the ask. And SPY's going down as well. This is a good look. Okay, still heavy on the ask here, and SPY's moving down. See a little resistance on the bid, but considering to move up, probably has some ways to go back down. So right now the 5-minute 9 EMA is at 85, right here, and that's a nice area. Nice for me. Just gotta break down this area right here. Okay, I couldn't hold it anymore, so I just took it. So right now I'm down 62. I guess I didn't really quite partial stop it the way I like it to, but the resistance here, or the support here, was getting on my nerves. But if you can still hold it, it may break down this area right here. The most dangerous part about this trade was the fact that it went down on Friday. And it gapped up, and then it went down. So there is a little bit of a possibility that it will want to climb back up, because it never really hit that 30. So sadly, that's just what happens. Just gotta keep moving on. Sorry guys. Probably need to trade small on this one. So maybe under 58. Maybe. Or a little bit earlier. On a trigger of 1s. Right there. So high is 22. 2/3 of my shares will be out there. If it goes under 58, I'll add. Damn it, things goes fast. This candle's high is 12, so I'll put one at 13. Put another 200 at 13. Ooh. hoping it doesn't like 58, or it may go to 59. In which case, I have 400, so I have 200 shares just floating around right now. So I'm gonna put that one in the 20s. Like, I don't know, 30 maybe? Let's go with 30. So it looks good on 5s here. So SPY cooperates. If it does go, then my stop will be high a day. Yeah, it's going. 22. Okay, SPY is helping me out a bit. Very nice. I'll take that. Watch ACHC. That's Alpha Charlie Hotel Charlie. To maybe 45.50-ish. Okay. Still just playing games. I'm gonna take some here. So high day is 72. So I put mine at 74 for 200 shares, so I have 100 in. There's like a 3, sometimes there's a 5-cent spread, I think. Sometimes. Right now it's consistently 3-4 cent spread. Okay, SPY is moving down a bit. If I add, won't double. I'll just add 200. Possibly on 2s. So, I think it already did that. Yeah, it's already triggered on 2s. 54. Now it's at 53. So I want a clean break under 50. Okay. Did I say clean? Okay, so that one is gonna be at 64. This stop of the 200 shares, because I'm not giving her any room. She's tough. Okay. 125.24, but let's just take what we can here. Watch SPY. Watch level 2. Maybe another bit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm buying all. Tricky. I don't trust her. ACHC, missed it. Shorting some here. With a 10-cent stop at 77. Looks like I may be a little early. 77. I'll take 300 out. That's 77. Still looks good on 15s. Looks really good on 5s. Looks pretty good on 2s. Okay. Add another. Come on. Okay. wanted to go down to the 2-minute 90 EMA of 72.57. But this is good right here, 72.55. SPY's printing red here. And level 2 is strong. Good. Just wait for it. Wait for another push. That looks good. Okay, I'm taking it. I'm not giving it any room. Okay, I took some O here, realty income. I saw it on the daily where you can kind of draw a trend line here. And on 15s, well, what really got me was this volume spike back above 59. So I want this to stay above 59. Triggered on 2s and 5s, but it needs to get back up there to 59.02. So anticipating another spike up. There's some more here. It's a little slippery. So I just wanted to go. So 58, 97. You know, take out 1,000. Oh no, take out 700. And then down here, 58.89. Take out 300. So it's very possible that I can go up to 20, I think.
ExxonMobil Chemicals is expanding capacity of its global hydrocarbon fluid assets by more than 250,000 tons per year. That's X-ray Oscar
Really
Michael.
strong on the bid right here. And I just don't want to see 08 grow. Okay, it grew up a little. Oh, it's disappearing now. So another pop-up is possible. Okay, still strong on 8. Break through this 59.10. Good. Okay, selling all here. Rejected. I really like these shapes here. Okay, it's creating its first. And there's a 10-cent spread. So it's a little bit, but the range is not that great. It looks like SPY's rejecting the top. So I'm going to go ahead and short some here. The high day stop. 81. 74.81. So this big red candle went up to 75 or 74.99. So I have to be careful. It could have another 20-cent run. So because of the spreads, I'm going to go ahead. SPY is actually shooting past the high, and this is holding, so that's not a bad thing. I'm going to go ahead and set my stop. It's a little expensive, so I'm not playing around with this one very much. The 2-minute is 74.59. I like how it's holding as SPY is going up. So when SPY goes down, I want to see this one go down. I want to see when this one loses steam. When SPY loses steam. Yeah. There we go. printing a little red there. Oh, well, a little late. Okay, I just took CTXS for 500 shares. Took it at a 1 minute trigger and got it at 84.22 and sold it at 84.11. Okay, I'm in CVS. It's about to trigger. No, it's not. Just triggered on ones. Shooting star right there. Okay, looks like it may go up a little bit, but it's nothing to fret because SPY looks like it's still going down. Just wait for it. And we want to see that this 59, these numbers get smaller. Okay, SPY is printing a little green, so we want this to hold now. So I think Brian is trying to warn us about how it may want to come up here. Swing traders may want it to come up. Is that what you're saying, Brian? Yeah, I see it. So this will be a scalp for sure, if it does go. Okay, SPY's not helping. Oh, now SPY's helping again. So watch the wind blow it down. We want the momentum of this red candle to be equivalent to this candle. If this moves less than this one, then it's not exactly a good sign. But right now stacking is still good. Break down this 59. Break 59 again. Okay. Just trying too hard. I'm out. So that was could have been better, but Brian's right. Even though it passed up the 57 right here, and it has a lot of potential to come up and test this area. So our optimism was trumped by Brian's pessimism. So if it does go down, guys, remember his name. Remember Brian. It's not Sean's fault anymore. It may be Brian's. Okay, I'm in THC here. Didn't have a chance to notify my chat room, but I touched the close of yesterday, and it's reversing now. And it's quite a bit of volume to get there. Let's see what it does. But there's a lot of volume, kinda. See if it comes back up. I'm in a bit heavy. Let's give it a little bit of room here. At 36, I'll take out 400. And then at 30, I'll take out the rest. could be a slight reset because of this strong move. But if it goes over 44, I should set a stop at 39, 38, or an additional 500 shares. Let's see if it can hold. Sorry guys, every time I switch screens it flickers on me and I didn't have a chance to change it. But I'm in THC. That's Tango Hotel Charlie. At 1844 actually. Because I thought I was gonna go. And there it goes. And I'm gonna add it. I didn't get it. It's gonna double up, but it's not gonna happen. So I'm watching level 2 if you're in it now. And I'm having a full stop at 1839. Let's put it 1838 just in case for slippage. Wait, did I say I didn't say how many shares. I'm in about 700 shares. But in actuality, I'm in like 40,000 shares. Okay, here we go. Shouldn't mess around like that. Someone's gonna actually follow that. So the bid is stronger. I think I'm safe now. Hold on. Okay. So I have my stop right below this area. Ideally it should be set at 39. I set at 38. So I'm looking for it to continue on up a bit. Right now it's a little bit heavier on the ask. Now it's stronger on the bid. It's going to flip flop back and forth until it figures out where to go. But according to the SPY, the wind is blowing upwards. So this should do the same, more or less. You can see the resistance on these two green candles. The volume on these two green candles, suggesting that it's kind of done, especially after it touched yesterday's close. So right now it's rallying a bit. See if we can keep it up. On the odds maker, yeah, I have once. It was good, but it doesn't make sense because the odds makers. You could be in, say. I'll talk about that later. I'm getting distracted here, looking at the ask right here, and it looks a little strong. So I want this 47 to break down a bit. Yeah, okay. I'm selling. I'm seeing the SPY go down like that. It scared me. And there it goes. Okay, maybe look for that 24. 75.24 right here. Looks pretty good right here because it kind of touches all of these areas right here and back here. Let's see. I'll probably take this on ones. Yeah, 3. Nice, Brian. Congratulations. Okay, see you tomorrow. Let's see. So a little over 5 cent stop. Go 500 shares. We'll just call it an even 10-cent stop with a little bit of spread sometime every now and then. So this is still a $50 risk. Not bad. The 20 is 75.50. Okay. Looks like it may go here. Guys may want to turn down your speakers just in case. Okay, I may have to take it. The volume's increasing. And watching SPY here. SPY's okay, I'm taking it. I'm gonna double up on this one because it looks so good. And the range is so small. 3-cent spread. My average is 44, which is pretty poop. Pretty poop. Nice volume here. Let's see how far this can go. 50 is the 20. 52 is the 2-minute, and 65 is the 5-minute right here. So I'm gonna set one of my stops at 42, since my average is so bad. Don't slip on me. Let's pick out 41 then. SPY's going down, so I'm really hesitant on my stop, and let me just go ahead and put one of my stops down here at 34. I'll take 700 out at 34. Oh, that's the low day, 34. I should have it at 33. Double check what's going on. It still hasn't gone to 24 yet. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to keep it here. 33, 700, and keep 300 for the move down to the 24. But it still looks good. It's just a SPY right now, pushing down like this. Waiting for a SPY to settle, and I really like how this is holding. It's really not moving at all because people don't want it to go down. So whenever SPY turns around, anticipate this to move up. Very nice. I was holding like this. It's a little bit heavier on the ask, but it's printing green right here. I'm surprised it's holding so well. Almost makes me want to add. Yeah, for real, it's holding so well here. Oh, slipped a little bit. go. I think if it goes over 46, or over this red candle of, what is that, 45? If it hits 46, I may add a little bit, like 300, 1/3 of my full. Okay, now we're having some green here on the SPY. So let's see this one move. It's a bit stronger. That's a little bit of a weird action going. There we go. I was a little bit worried about that bear flag. Now it broke through. Next stop is up here, 75.49. If I can break through that, then I'll be happy. Everybody will be happy. 75.51 is the 20. A 2 minute is 75.48, one set away. But the 5 minute is 75.61. But right here is a good spot. Okay, still looking okay on the bid here. Well, it's about even now. Let's watch the SPY influence this past 75.50. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to just go ahead and put my stop at 75.37. I'm going to sell half. And then I'm going to sell 75.34, 75.33. I'm going to sell, say, 200. Keep 300 shares down to the 75.25. This could be its first move, and then it's going to move again. But there's no doubt that this was a strong reversal, and if it fails, then there will be another one coming, in my opinion. Oh, nice for us. Yeah, CBS is doing good. Or did good. You're looking for volume to increase, or light volume when it bounces? I'm looking for light volume when it bounces. Okay, I just got stopped out 500 shares. So this kind of volume right here suggests that it's reversing, right? Actually, this one right here was the struggle. So now it's going down most likely to this area, 75.24. It's going down hard. It went down to 75.25. And the spread's, it has a 6-cent spread now. Yeah, that was a bear flag. I thought it broke it. No. I have to test that area and then pop back down. But I think it's going to come back up. Okay, we're in that area here. This is where I would add. I'm not even going to wait for it. Add a little bit. So my average is 34, which is okay for now. If it goes to 19, let's say if it goes to 16, I'll take out 400. No, I'll still take out 500 because it was in the spot then. But it looks like the spot. Okay, I'm buying some more here for that break. Just took it a little bit early. So that one's going to be at 19. I'm going to sell 500 there. It just had to appease the people that wanted it to touch this area, and it has. So it done. It's gotta be done. And if it isn't, then I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and just change this stop to 800 because I just can't deal with this stock if it does anything stupid. There we go. I'm not sure how many shares I have since I minimized the size of my... I don't even have 200 shares left. Okay, I have 100 shares. That's what I get for it. Okay, so I still want it to go to the 20, 75.50. Because I'm stubborn like that. Not really. It just makes sense. This is going to take some time. Still not at 50 just yet. The 20 is now 51. And the 5 minutes at 52. So there's still room. But at least to 49. And the SPY's going up with us. That's nice. Okay, I'll take it. What the fuck, man? Okay, that was stupid. And I got 79.70 out of it. Because it was so thin. And I got a lot of, I cussed too much. I need to fix that. What happened here? The slippage. Oh well. See it break down this 98 for a move up. Since I'm in 800, I'm going to put a stop at 93. What is this? 92 or 93? 94, okay. 93, 1 cent spread. That's nice. Okay, so I'm just going to have a full stop now. Under 93. Let's watch it break over 50. Looks good on the bid. Waiting for SPY to show a little bit more green. There we go. Need to break down this 50.01. Nice. Maybe another few moves up. It's already in the 5s. But looking from here, this would be the next stop. Nice. Okay. I'm selling all there. Because I see the ask right here. It doesn't mean it won't still keep going. Okay, I'm in HFC. I added twice, or added once. Entered at the 1 minute trigger. Right now it's at its base. It should struggle a little bit, but it will pop on through most likely. Especially with SPY helping here. And then the volume staying nice and low. There's no resistance here. SPY's going down. I want this to hold. Nice. 32 looks like it's getting knocked around. Okay, 32 is thinning out. Okay, went up. Break down to 33. Onto bigger numbers. Let's go with 37, come on. Break down to 34. Okay, went to 35. Yep. Okay. So, having trouble selling. Stupid. Damn it. The slippage because this thing is so thin. Or it also could be because we're all exiting at the same time. Move back up to 40? Yeah. Definitely. Very possible. Look at that slippage. Oh well. Nice guys. So I'm up 489.